old Scouts, plastic 4x4s. You want to watch me work on it, wheel it, take it where it's not supposed to go, you've come to the right place. I'm Mike, that's the Scout. Welcome to the channel. And there goes my ride. So what you're going to see on this channel is some DIY repairs, maybe some restoration tips that I might not follow, some epic off-road adventures for sure. We'll mix in some product reviews and maybe some modifications, but really just generally relatable content. So like, follow, subscribe to the channel. You're not going to want to miss out on any of the adventures with the Scout or any of the other vintage 4x4s that I go out with. So, all right, thanks for watching.